Today we did a session with Affinity Blue with Simon, Neon and the team, and I'm just going to ask Simon, what are some of the things you got out of today? So Simon, let us know.
Clarity will be probably the main thing I got. I had an idea about how we do things, the way we do things, why we do things. To me and what's important to me, it made quite a lot of sense. Hearing it from the other team, all the different personalities in the room, such clarity from around how I can do things differently or how the business needs to change to tick everyone else's boxes. Get that clarity on what we need to do to move forward.
Perfect. And we did some personality profiling.
Disc profiling, I love it. Every time I've done these sessions, and I've done a few with you now, it's such an eye-opener. I think the team got a lot of value out of that today, actually seeing how everyone ticks and what's a little bit different with everybody. So yeah, it was really cool. It was a lot of smiles.
Well, it's funny. The sales and marketing at the top end of the pie chart of disc, and all the techs are all conscientious.
So we've got a good team. Obviously, getting them all mixing together has been a good mix. Clearly,
it's been a great mix. And I think again, just go back to the value of that mission, vision, and values above and beyond what we do. I think redoing that with the team was good today.
It's a good check-in, just a reinforcement that we're all on the same page.
And amazing, just talking about process and systems. Having the whole team really, what's the word? Express what they would like in relation to getting the process.
Wish this, right, to fix the problems in the business. Everyone's got buy-in for it.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, this business of Affinity Blue is a well-oiled machine. Don't get me wrong. All right, and all it wants to do is get to that next level, like every business out there.
Thank you.
I just want to say thanks very much for listening today.
Colin and Jen and the team at KVA, thank you very much.
Until the next one.
Thank you.